The Sovereignty University Workshop Exchange Program is for groups and individuals who either have established workshops, courses, books, or other resources, or those who want to share sovereignty learning among their friends and followers, even though you may not have created any teaching resources yourself. Let's take a look. Sovereignty University uses the Bridge model and Seed of Sovereignty as our framework to achieve sovereignty in abundance, while other groups follow their own inspired pathways to arrive at the same future, each with their own set of resources to support their passions and followers. Sovereignty University partners with these leaders, offering a selection of their resources along with our own original programming to create a curriculum specific to our students. At the same time, we share our resources with these academies to help craft their specific curriculums. This is why we call it a workshop exchange program. And we encourage these academies to share amongst themselves too, creating a network of sovereignty learning while practicing what we preach, keeping the sovereignty of each of our organizations intact. There are two sides to this exchange program. Us promoting your courses, in which case we direct prospective students to your website, and you promoting our courses, sending us prospective students. Let's start here because it's the simplest and anyone can promote Sovereignty University as long as you have some kind of online presence, even if it's just a few followers on social media. We'll send you graphics to help you promote, which link back to Sovereignty University. We take care of all registration, payment, correspondence, and support. Students you send us save 20% off enrollment, and you also receive a 15% finder's fee. We cover the admin costs and send your accumulated referral fees every quarter. Now, if you have a course that supports the Sovereignty University curriculum, the process is mirrored. Send us your promotional materials and we'll direct prospective students to your academy. You'll manage all registration, payment, correspondence, and support. You offer 20% savings off enrollment and set aside 15% finder's fee for us. All expenses incurred are in lieu of spending money on advertising and only cost when you actually enroll a paid student. This exchange will work if you have both a course to share and an e-commerce platform to share it on. Having an affiliate plugin certainly streamlines the process, but coupon codes will do the trick too. If you have a course to share but don't have an e-commerce site, there is another option. Your course can live on Sovereignty University. Send us your promo materials as usual, but also send us the course. Don't worry, we don't hold any claim to it. We'll simply be hosting your workshop on our site. We'll take care of the administrative aspects. Students may receive a 20% discount if they were referred by a partner. Sovereignty University covers the admin fees, and we split the net profits, which will be included in your quarterly payout. All in all, by doing this exchange of resources, it promotes each other, it offers savings to each other's followers, it offers referral fees to each other, and all by circumventing the old paradigm ad industry. If you're only in a position to share our courses, head to sovereigntyuniversity.activateus.org. Scroll down to the footer and click on Partner Program. This will direct you to a page explaining the affiliate program a little further and where you can sign up. If you have a course to share, whether on your own website or if you'd like it to live on ours, click on the Submit a Course button in the header of our website. Tell us something about your course and yourself, and we'll follow up from there. The partner program can be done on its own, whereas submitting a course also includes the partner program. Sovereignty University, higher education for higher awareness.